Hi guys, I'm very glad to see you in annalev.dance blog. And today I'm not going to dance, I'm going to talk. And we will discuss today a very interesting and I would even say thrilling topic that you voted for: how to keep balance between following and styling. If it's really interesting for you, so stay with me in this video and let's start. Let's be honest from the first second. If this question has appeared in your mind, it means that you can fix your attention only on one thing, either on following or on styling, and you hardly can do both at the same time, right? So you're still learning how to follow. It's not bad. You are on the way, and to understand what to do and how to improve yourself, first, let's figure out what level you are at. And the first step, the first basic skill to learn is following. What does it mean to follow? First of all, it means to listen to your partner very attentively and constantly, to become an active listener, to be able to understand, and then to convert everything you've heard into a movement. Actually, almost at the same time. Following is like a simultaneous translation. When you hear, and you translate into another language. And without having this skill, you hardly can focus on something else except following, and you hardly can relax during dancing. So, first of all, you have to learn how to follow. And if you're a newbie in salsa, if you are just in the beginning of your salsa path, your salsa story, I'm pretty sure that during dancing, you can't even think about using any styling because there is no space for it, neither in your mind nor in your body. So my advice here, continue to practice your following. Train in front of the mirror, improve your basic technique, attend classes, and of course, go to parties as often as possible and skip any styling. Because for the moment, your primary goal is to learn how to follow, how to listen, how to react, and how to convert your partner's signals into a movement. And styling will be another step. At the second level, you suddenly understand that you don't want to be just a follower, you want something more. That you want to feel yourself free dancing. Not just doing something that your partner requires you to do, but also to express yourself during dance. At this level, you already know how to follow, how to listen, and now you want to speak. Yes, to speak. Expressing the music you hear and your feelings with your body during dancing. Sharing it with your partner and creating something awesome together. Have you ever felt that before? That's why that strong desire to style your dance appears inside of you. It's not about to be beautiful or to feel beautiful. It's not about to improve your dancing skills or to satisfy someone's expectations. No, it happens because you feel inside that strong desire to express yourself, to show your inner beauty and essence through your body during dancing. And to be happy during that. This is the reason why you want something more. This is the reason why you want to learn how to style your dance. Because actually, this intention tells that you want to show who you are. And this intention is deep and beautiful. And it's really worth to be reached. So, let's find out how to do that. But first, let's get back to reality. If you have this question in your mind, how to keep balance between following and styling, so probably you are at the second level. And you probably think that you're already an advanced follower and you know everything. Well, I most likely disappoint you, because usually people who are at this level of dancing haven't learned how to follow 100%. 100% means that your body reacts to the guys leading automatically, without thinking and any control. And it does it right. Well, this question wouldn't happen in your mind at all if you were able to follow like that, right? It's like during walking. You never think about how to keep balance between my legs moves and my arms moves during walking, right? It happens somehow, automatically. So the same thing in following. As soon as you can follow without thinking, it means that you have this skill. 100% following. If during dancing you feel that your styling distracts you, that it hinders you from following, that you miss partner signals and sometimes lose yourself in the space, it just means that you still need to concentrate your attention, your attention on following during couple dancing, slowly increasing your level, improving your technique, and making it better and better, and giving your body more and more variations to remember. But it doesn't mean that you should do only that and nothing else. And now I'm going to give you my tips how to reach the level of freedom when you never have this question in your mind, how to keep balance between following and styling. And my tip number 1 is become an active listener. It means that during dance you should constantly listen to your partner, listen to him with your body, and look at him, trying to read all his body language and all his signals. And of course, try to dance with the best dancers you can find around, because it will help you to increase your body movement database. And my tip number 2, to be able to focus on both styling and following, you have to start practicing it. So little by little, add some styling elements to your couple dancing. Something very simple and clear, something that still lets you to keep concentrated on following and that you feel comfortable with. For example, arm to the side when it's free, okay, or I don't know, head circle or a hip circle or shimmy. But not everything that you know in one dance, in one song, trying to show that you know a lot, okay? So you have to do it step by step, little by little. And when your following doesn't take much attention anymore, you can add more styling without losing connection with your partner. And my tip number 3 is improve your solo. Actually, this is the best advice I can give you here, because solo, first of all, is your own territory that doesn't depend on anyone, it doesn't depend on your partner, and you can dance, you can enjoy, and you can express yourself in the way you want. Solo is always a great idea. And besides that, dancing exactly solo, you can learn a lot of different elements that later on can be also used as styling in couple dancing. For example, hands and arms techniques, or how to move your upper body, or how to oscillate and manage your shoulders, your torso, your head, your hips, many parts of your body. Improving yourself in 2 different things at the same time, in your following and in your solo, is the best way to become a great dancer and stop thinking at all about balance between following and styling. Because as soon as you feel more confident with your following, all the elements that you have learned, all the solo elements that you have learned, can be easily applied to your couple dancing as well, and you can use it as styling in your couple dancing. This is a great stuff that will happen automatically. And my tip number 4, don't hurry up. and enjoy the process. Listen to your partner, listen to yourself, listen to the music, and enjoy everything you're doing. Actually, there is only one thing that you have to do, is to be yourself. This is the only indicator that you're going to the right direction. Well, I think that's it. This video was quite long and I hope you're still here and haven't fallen asleep in front of the screen. And so if you're still alive and you're here, so please push like button, it gives me some support. And please write in comments what you think about that. If you agree or disagree, or maybe you have just another opinion. And see you in next videos. Love you. Bye.